This how-to video is on sauteing Brussels sprouts. I'm going to show you the best way to get the most flavor out of probably one of the hardest vegetables to make taste good right now. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to use. You can pick and choose what ingredients you'd like to use. These are the basic ones that I usually like to use on my vegetables. Shallots, garlic, white wine, butter, pre-blanched Brussels sprouts. I also have some blended oil, and I have salt and pepper. Always have salt and pepper. Some of you are asking yourself, what does blanch even mean? I did a video on blanching broccoli. It'll give you a step-by-step procedure on how to just blanch vegetables. The only thing you're gonna have to add to that is the Brussels sprouts take about 1.5 to 2 minutes. They're a little bit longer than broccoli. I will put the link for that video towards the end of this video, so make sure you check that out. That way you know what blanching is. Nice hot pan. Key that the pan is hot. We're gonna drop in our blended oil, just enough to coat the bottom. Let that oil work its way around. Now we drop in our Brussels sprouts. Now, leave those in the pan and let those cook on a high heat. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get my color. I wanna get some nice color on those, so rock those on a high heat and don't touch them. Okay, a minute later, you're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop in that white wine. Also drop in your butter. Shallots, garlic. Salt and pepper. A couple pinches. And give it a quick toss. We're gonna let that finish cooking. These are almost done because we pre-blanched. They were halfway cooked. So basically all we're doing here is we're gaining more flavor, getting some color on these, and finish cooking them in the pan. When you're sauteing vegetables, you're taking pre-blanched vegetables, which are par cooked. You're gonna then introduce them into a hot pan, and you're gonna add whatever ingredients of your choosing. I like to use garlic, shallots, white wine. But all you're doing is you're finishing cooking the vegetables in the pan quickly and adding that last little bit of flavor. The problem with most people is they put the vegetables in the pan and they overcook them every time. Vegetables need high heat. That's the trick. High heat, quick cook. As you'll see here, the Brussels sprouts have nice color on them. We got that for the sauteing, so that's great flavor. Also still has its beautiful green, so they're not overcooked. They still have a little bit of a bite, and they're completely indulged in flavor. White wine, shallots, garlic, salt, pepper. These things are absolutely flavorful. Who would have thought Brussels sprouts could taste so good? Now you know how to make Brussels sprouts like a true chef. If you like my how-to video, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe. Also check out my channel. I do awesome recipes, not just how-to videos.